Have you ever wondered why public toilet stall doors don't reach the floor? It might seem like a strange design choice, but it's actually intentional. One reason is cost. Shorter doors and walls use less material, making them cheaper to build and easier to install. Cleaning is another big reason. With a gap underneath, janitors can mop the entire floor without opening every stall. It also improves ventilation. Public restrooms deal with moisture and odors all day, and the open space helps air circulate more effectively. There's another reason most people never think about. If someone inside has a medical emergency, the gap underneath makes it easier to notice and allows responders to reach them more quickly if the door is blocked. And from a security perspective, the open design makes it harder for someone to stay inside unnoticed for long periods. It may not offer the same privacy as a floor-to-ceiling stall, but it's a practical design that balances cost, maintenance, safety, and ventilation. So next time you see that gap under a public restroom door, you'll know it wasn't an accident. Subscribe, think again.